Okay, so guys, I'm in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom state capital, and there's something I found to be so fascinating. You know, Uyo is a city of so many flyovers, but this particular flyover right here, I'm going to show you guys right now. This flyover right here is so beautiful. Well, I'm going to take you closer so you can see artwork they did on it. Look how beautiful this artwork is. So beautiful, man. So guys, they even made things like a chair, something you can sit down on. You can sit down on it. When I take you over there, you are going to see where you can sit down and relax. Still going to go there, but let me still show you around here first. This is still under the flyover. Let me show you the beautiful designs. You can see that. I just wish other flyovers can take this as an example, beautify their own, make it very, very nice. Now see this one right here. You can see. Let me just show you guys what the inscription over there before I go back. This one culture, the people of Akwa Ibom, how they dress, their traditional attire. It's a very long flyover. They have a lot of, should I say, water bodies like river. They have the sea here in Akwa Ibom, so maybe that's why the fish you are seeing here. They have a lot of fish in this state. The road network in this state is very nice. There are beautiful, solid roads everywhere. So this is University of Uyo logo. And that's Government of Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. That's their logo too. So I'm going to be going to other places within Uyo. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, it's about time I go show you the beautiful city of Uyo. Let me show you something, guys.